Get ready for a crunchy snack that will surprise you. If you love great cooking, is not about fancy ingredients. It's about turning simple food into something unforgettable. Today we are turning simple eggplants into crispy golden chips that are crunchy and colorful. So here is my fresh eggplant. I'm coming to cut it into cubes or into dice. So keep watching. Today we are turning simple eggplant into crispy golden chips that are crunchy, flavorful, and impossible to resist. If you think vegetables are boring, wait until you hear that crispy sound. Grab your ingredients, relax, and let's make the delicious snack together. Every great recipe starts with patience and love. Cooking is creativity. You can taste. Don't rush the process. Crispy perfection takes time. Small ingredients can create big flavor. Your kitchen is where magic happens. We are still cutting our eggplant into cubes. If you love trying new snacks, this recipe is for you. Stay till the end because the final crunch is worth it. Anyone can make this at home with simple ingredients. Don't forget to enjoy the process while cooking. Food made with love always tastes better. So this is the oil for our eggplant chips. So this is my salt and sugar. I cleaned the eggplant with vinegar, salt, and lemon. So it's already clean. So now I just added my salt and my little sugar. So now the oil is hot. You just put the fresh eggplant inside and fry it. As we are waiting and as we are frying, I want to tell you that every great recipe starts with patience and love. Hark my soul, it is the Lord, 'tis thy Savior, hear his word. Jesus speaks and speaks to thee. Say, poor sinner, love thou me. The name is Vidina Waka Do It. Crunchy outside, tasty inside. Eggplant chips are the snack you didn't know you needed. Healthy snacks can still be crispy and delicious. One bite of these eggplant chips and you will keep coming back for more. 10 simple eggplants into a golden crispy masterpiece. Good food brings happiness and crispy eggplant chips bring extra joy. Eggplant is rich in fiber and helps keep you full. It contains antioxidants that are good for the body. Eggplant is low in calories, making it a healthier snack option. It absorbs delicious flavors and becomes extra tasty when fried. It is a great way to enjoy vegetables in a fun and crispy form. Every recipe is a chance to create something beautiful. If you can cook with love, people will taste the difference. Small effort in the kitchen can create big happiness. Keep learning, keep frying, keep shining. Your creativity makes simple food special. Believe in your recipe and enjoy every moment. Stay till the end because this crispy eggplant chips recipe is worth every second. If I can make this at home, you can too. Don't be afraid to try something new in the kitchen. Cooking becomes easier when you enjoy the process. Your next favorite snack might be this eggplant chips recipe. Let's make cooking